Do you own or are you looking to start a small business? If so, you're going to need a software to keep care of your transactions and your accounting. I'm going to give you my top 3 accounting software choices, and I'm going to go over how much they're going to cost you per month. First off, we have the classic Microsoft Excel. You can also use Google Sheets, but I prefer Excel. You can use it for just tracking your day-to-day expenses and invoices, right up to full-on financial planning and analysis. Now, it's not the most user-friendly. It's completely manual. The work that you're going to put into it is the work you're going to get out of it. But with a little bit of YouTube University and some practice, you can basically use it to run your business in the early days. The biggest pro to using Microsoft Excel is it's probably free for you to use, or at least you have access to use it for free. Next up at number 2, we have Xero. Xero is a cloud-based accounting software with a ton more features compared to Excel. Xero takes out the manual work by allowing you to connect your bank account right to your accounting software and download the transactions, and basically you can just go through and manage them to go to which account or which expense account you want to hit. You also have the ability to invoice directly from Xero, and by automating these tasks and reporting, it's going to save you a ton of time and stress. Now, the learning curve with Xero is a little bit steeper than other online accounting software, and it's going to take a little bit more practice and maybe some reading and again, YouTube University. There's also some limitations on the number of transactions you can have based on your monthly plan, as well as in Canada, there's some payroll limitations as well. Now, depending on the features that you want and the number of transactions that you need, pricing ranges from $20 a month all the way up to $67 a month. Now, my top choice for small business accounting, and this ranges from a startup all the way up to almost a medium-sized business, is QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online has all the features that I mentioned in Xero in terms of automating your transactions, connecting bank accounts, but it's more feature-rich in terms of the reports you can run, the ability to connect to a third-party accountant to get your taxes done. You can invoice and accept payments right within QuickBooks Online. You can use report templates or custom reports, import your business logo, make it all look really professional. And you can even connect to third-party apps such as Jobber if you're using that. So essentially you can connect your project management software directly to your accounting software and run seamlessly. The number 1 pro of QuickBooks though is the service that you get online. If you run into an issue, even if you have an accounting question or you can't figure something out in your reconciliation or running a report, QuickBooks chat is going to get back to you within a few hours and resolve your issue for you. And having that support is a huge factor for many small business owners that probably aren't too familiar with accounting software to begin with. Now, QuickBooks is a bit more expensive than Xero, and it seems like there are more frequent price increases. You're starting at around the $25 mark, and it can go to well over $100 a month. But in my mind, the time saved and the features that you get make it well worth it. You should be focusing on making money, not tracking money that you spent, and QuickBooks Online enables you to do that. As I said, I'm a bit biased. I use QuickBooks for all my companies as well as any third-party accounting that I'm doing for clients. So if you have any comments or questions on QuickBooks, you need help, drop a comment. If you're looking to build generational wealth, follow me.